Okay, recording.
Hello, Emily, Darren, the rest of the RLC team, or RLT, I guess. On Monday, myself and Matthew Weber. Excuse me. Hello? No, I don't know who Champ is. I'm sorry, I'm busy. I can't talk about whoever Champ is. Sorry about that. On Monday, I postulated a riddle to Emily. The riddle was, what is the force of nature that you can feel but cannot see? Well, Emily and Darren, but more so Emily, because it's her riddle, have guessed things like the wind, hail, several other things. We gave a hint that it's not an earthquake, and they have done many guesses, tsunamis, tornadoes, solar storms, things like that. They're just, it's not right. They haven't just gotten it yet.
You see, Emily and Darren, Doug is correct in saying that you guys have had some very formidable guesses, such as earthquakes, hailstorms, and that one unicorn you saw. But you see, you've been approaching the question all wrong. For see, you've been focusing too much on the what, when really, you should be focusing... Excuse me. Hello? No, I don't know who Champ is. Sorry. Pardon me. As I was saying, you've been focusing on what, when you should be focusing on who. And as we all know, there is only one force of nature, who you can feel, but cannot see.
His name is John C.